Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I just opened those two girls, and guess what? I have another box. I absolutely love my 24-inch Amaya Raines, my 14-inch Poopsie Surprise. I think I have two sets of the four Poopsie Surprise. I have a set in their original outfits, and then I have a set that I have made outfits for. And I have an extra Amaya Raine up in the doll nook, dressed in a dress much like this one, next to another 24-inch Amaya Raine with a smaller Amaya Raine dressed the same. I've been on eBay, and I have new Amaya Raines in the 24-inch, and I bought them Poopsie Surprise dolls. I couldn't help myself. They're so cute. And the prices were so right. I just, it says make offer, and I do. And this one, I think, this is the one, yeah, this is the one that had really reasonable shipping. I mean, really reasonable shipping. And she was very reasonable. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty the way they've got that. She is so cute. And both her sleeves are still intact. You want to show those tattoos, her sleeves. Got a unicorn on this one. Look at the beautiful face. I mean, the face and hair. Oh, these are 14-inch dolls. This is Amaya Raine. This is Pixie Rose. I'm trying to think of the other girls' names, and I can't right now. But these were the predecessors to Rainbow High dolls. And Darren makes shoes for them, 3D soles, I should say, 3D printed soles. And I make clothes. So when she came up and was way reasonable, but it said make offer, so I offered $5, and I think I got this doll delivered for less than $10 or just over $10. I couldn't pass her up. She's so beautiful. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.